In this video, I'll be showing you how to install Tailscale on your TrueNAS server. Tailscale is a mesh VPN that creates a secure direct connection between devices regardless of a location. In my opinion, Tailscale is essential as it'll let you access your TrueNAS server from anywhere in the world. To start things off, within your server, we will first want to create a new dataset. Now for organizational purposes, I will technically be creating two datasets, with the first one being called Tailscale. Within the Tailscale dataset, I will then create another dataset called Data Storage, which will host all the Tailscale configurations. Next, we will go over to Apps, where we will search for the Tailscale application. Here we can click Install, which will take us to the Tailscale configurations page. Now, before we can proceed with this page, we first need to get an authentication key. To do so, we'll have to head over to the Tailscale website I have linked below. Within the Tailscale webpage, we will navigate to Settings and generate an authentication key. Feel free to give this key whichever name you like, but for me, I'm just going to call this TrueNAS Server. Afterwards, the rest of the settings will be default, so we can click Generate Key. With that, our new authentication key should appear, which we will copy and move back over to TrueNAS. Back within TrueNAS, we'll paste in the authentication key that we got from Tailscale. Now, you don't have to, but I suggest enabling this exit node option. Likewise, I do suggest that you enter in the specific route, as it will turn your server into a subnet router. Next, under Storage Configuration, we will want to choose the host path, and we'll actually point this to the dataset that we created at the start of this video. And just a heads up, I actually ended up renaming this dataset off camera, but it should match the one that we created at the start of this video. Once Tailscale is installed and running on your TrueNAS server, you'll want to head back over to the Tailscale webpage again, where we should now see the server listed under Machines. Here, we will click the three dots to enable both the subnet and exit node settings. Another setting you might want to disable is the expiration of a key. The reason for this is, as of now, Tailscale makes you manually rotate your keys every 90 days to be secure. However, if you're like me and don't really care, then you'll want to disable it. With that, your server is all ready to go. Now, to connect a device, you'll want to click Add Device. Here, Tailscale gives you a variety of options for installing on separate devices. As an example, say you want to install Tailscale on a mobile device. The link Tailscale gives you will actually redirect you to an app store for download. Once the app is installed, you'll be prompted to log in, and make sure that you log in with the same credentials that you used previously. Once logged in, to activate your VPN, you'll simply just click Connect. And once it says connected, you are now connected to your home network. You should now be able to see both your new device and your server listed within Tailscale. This means that you have successfully set up Tailscale, and you can now access your home network from anywhere in the world. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.